Dividend investing is a popular way to grow your wealth. It involves buying shares of companies that regularly distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders in the form of dividends. It's like getting paid to own a piece of a company. These payments can be reinvested to buy more shares, compounding your returns over time. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can earn regular income without lifting a finger. This income can be a reliable source of cash flow, especially during retirement. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned pro, understanding dividend investing can be a game changer. It offers a way to grow your wealth steadily while minimizing risk. It's a strategy that can help you build a steady stream of passive income for years to come. Imagine having a financial cushion that grows even when you're not actively working. So if you're ready to learn how to make your money work for you, buckle up. We'll explore the ins and outs of dividend investing, from selecting the right stocks to understanding payout ratios. We're about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of dividend investing. Get ready to unlock the potential of your investments and secure your financial future. Dividends are payments made by companies to their shareholders. They're like a thank you gift for owning a piece of their business. Companies that generate consistent profits often share a portion of these earnings with their investors in the form of dividends. These payments can be made quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. Dividends are typically paid in cash, but some companies offer stock dividends, which means you receive additional shares instead of cash. Many well-established companies across various industries pay dividends. These dividends can provide a steady income stream for investors. Some popular examples include Coca-Cola, KO. This beverage giant has a long history of paying dividends and is known for its consistent payouts. With a global presence and a strong brand, Coca-Cola continues to be a favorite among dividend investors. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, a healthcare conglomerate. Johnson & Johnson has been increasing its dividend for over 60 consecutive years. Its diverse range of products and strong financial health make it a reliable choice for long-term investors. Procter Gamble, PG, this consumer goods company boasts a diversified portfolio of brands and a solid track record of dividend payments. Known for its household products, Procter & Gamble has been rewarding its shareholders with regular dividends for decades. These are just a few examples, and many other companies offer attractive dividend payouts. Investing in dividend stocks can be a smart strategy for those looking to build wealth over time while enjoying a steady income. Section 4. Benefits of dividend investing. Reap the rewards. Dividend investing offers several advantages. It provides a source of passive income that can supplement your regular earnings or help fund your retirement. Dividend payments can also provide a cushion during market downturns. When stock prices are volatile, those consistent dividend checks can offer some peace of mind. Moreover, reinvesting your dividends can accelerate your wealth-building journey through the power of compounding. Section 5. Potential risks. Proceed with caution. While dividend investing offers numerous benefits, such as a steady income stream and potential for capital appreciation, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks that come with it. Market volatility. Stock prices can fluctuate significantly, and even dividend-paying companies can experience declines in their share value, impacting your investment. Dividend cuts. Companies may reduce or eliminate dividends if they face financial difficulties or decide to allocate capital elsewhere, affecting your expected returns. It's crucial to conduct thorough research, diversify your portfolio across different sectors, and invest in financially healthy companies with a solid track record of consistent dividend payments to mitigate these risks. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights on dividend investing and other financial tips. Thank you for watching.